I don't know. Anyway, we have some cool stuff to show you guys today. Probably some things that you've already... oh, Jenny's not here. I'm going to go with it. You probably have had lots of different tools like this before. We're talking to you a little bit about marking pens, and
actually just one kind specifically.
We are talking specifically about, I was getting there.
Okay, sorry.
Talking about Frixion pens or Frixion. Frixion, yeah.
And
if you're
markers.
going all fancy. Today I had a salad.
A salad?
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
I had a soup.
Salad. No, let's see. Soup. Salad. Salad
Soup
sounds so
du
much.
jour.
The reason I had a salad and not a salad is that I paid way too much money for it. Were you there when I was talking about it? I had chicken, like a little bit of chicken, and a salad from Domino's. I paid $15 for it.
What?
I could have had Indian
Well,
curry for that price.
You know, they have their two for $5.99. You just have to buy 2 things.
I was completely
You can get a pizza
shocked.
and a pasta, or a
I'm
pizza
pretty
and
sure,
a cheesy bread.
I'm pretty sure they charged me a delivery fee.
Why did it's
They
next door.
are across the parking lot, and I'm pretty sure.
Did you deliver it? Have them deliver it?
Yes, I couldn't leave my desk.
I would have got it for you.
I had stuff going. Z ended up going like 10 minutes after my stuff arrived. Anyway, I'm just saying, if you have a really expensive salad, it's turned into a salad.
A salad.
That's what Megan says, a salad. Yep.
That's...
Oh, nice, Debbie. She gets the yeah. She gets if it's going to be smushed. Okay. Number 2.
Number 2, we are demoing. I have several types here.
Okay, I did it again. Yay! That's twice, folks.
She figured it out.
And I'm not going to make it bigger because I'm afraid I'll mess it up.
Okay, so I
know, Marion, seriously. Z went later, our other friend from work, and
you seriously had them deliver it next door? That's embarrassing. They have like a walk-up door.
Okay.
You don't even have to go in.
Have you seen Kyle this morning? I could not leave her. She was not going to be okay with it.
She was not having it.
She was not having it. Poor girl. She got left at
$15 for a salad from Domino's?
No, I got some chicken too with a little bit of barbecue sauce on it. Seriously, don't tell my husband.
He's watching because he thinks I'm funny.
This is true. He thinks
I'm like, Carillisa, shut up.
He thinks I'm an absolute ridiculous. But he's like, oh my gosh, Jenny's so funny.
Yeah.
It's a mighty expensive salad. So that's why I'm saying salad. I paid for a salad. Yeah.
Genius. Genius moves there.
Oh, I like that, Amber.
This one's fine.
That's ridiculous.
That is ridiculous. You would like Amber. She's funny.
Cool. We should go hang out. All right. Let's talk pens.
Okay. So I am like
Are you a marking crazy person?
I'm a school supply lover.
I am too. Office supplies?
Yes.
I love that aisle.
It's my favorite.
I love it.
So I saw these. I was going through Shank to buy stuff for... I found these, and guess what they are?
I don't know.
They're Frixion markers!
What?
And they're erasable.
Okay, that's pretty cool.
I don't have a piece of paper. Hang on.
You have a piece of fabric?
I can't erase it with fabric.
I thought she said they were erasable. I've never seen those. Hi, Cindy. That's pretty cool. You know, they're always coming up with something new. Always. Oh, and it's teeny tiny.
Anyway.
Can you see that?
What?
Oh, I was just showing off the
marker.
marker.
Yeah, they're like a fine tip marker.
Yeah. Okay.
So, can you see that? Hi. That's about the size it does.
Okay.
But let's see if it erases. I don't know. I haven't tested this. It actually does, kind of.
An erasable marker. That's pretty dang cool. So do you use these? I have not seen, you didn't show these beforehand.
No.
Look at that.
It's gone.
Nothing. Like this teeny tiny little mark, that's it.
But I was the weird girl in school that,
Carried.
I would, like, my poor teachers. I would write my AP or English things with a calligraphy pen. I don't know why. So if I can find something fun to write with, especially markers.
You know, I love that. Amber uses them for a calendar. I like.
How do you spell your name?
C-A-R-I. I-L-L-I-S-A. Come on. You don't know how to spell my
No,
name?
it doesn't make any sense.
Apparently she wasn't here when I told everybody how to
Carillisa.
Yeah.
I think it should be Carallissa.
That's how most people. Yeah.
Carillisa.
Anyway, I like that idea though. But I mean, I like to color coordinate my calendar. but I don't like to do it in markers because then I mess up and then you have to scribble it
you
out
can
and then
erase
it looks
it.
good. But this is fantastic.
Okay, so we have 12 packs of these.
Are they for
Fabric?
Fabric.
I haven't tried them on fabric. We're just talking about our Frixion collection.
Why don't we try it on
I am.
fabric?
Well, I got
All
my
right.
heater going.
Going to Staples is like Christmas. I love it. I really do. I love it. I could spend a lot of money there.
Well, I try to find stuff that we can order here at Christmas so I don't have to go to the store.
Our inventory is based on what Jenny wants right now.
Pretty much. Okay, so this is my fun. Where's the iron?
So show them what you put on there.
And everyone that was concerned last week about me melting Chris's thing, you gotta really... Oh my gosh, it goes away!
Like in 2 seconds it went away. Okay, make it bigger. Make it bigger.
Eee! Oh, it's too hot.
Okay,
Gotta
I'll
wait.
cool it off. You didn't get more fabric?
Oh,
I like those. We haven't talked about those yet.
we'll get there.
Okay,
Okay,
I think that works.
it's cool.
Yeah.
Oh, it came back.
Uh-oh, don't...
No, wait, that was me trying to color. Okay, you do it. They can't see you. Hello?
Okay.
Your
I
phone
know.
isn't ringing today. How am I supposed to yell hello?
Left my phone downstairs on purpose.
Goodbye!
Hey, okay, so here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna wait and see if it comes back.
I don't think it comes. It might come back if it gets cold, which I have heard, but I have not experienced yet.
I was just gonna go put it in some snow, but there's no snow out here, so that's not gonna work. We'll just kind of take a deep. That's pretty dang cool. I love it. How much are they? So
They're kind of a lot.
so you're saying that we have these here?
We have a few left in stock. I think we only have 2, but we can back order them and get them within like 3 or 4 days. So
And it's the whole package.
the whole pack. There's 12.
Those
are fun.
Okay, when you reorder, I need some.
Okay.
I love these.
Yeah, I snagged these.
I love these. Yeah.
But if you don't want to get the whole pack, we do have them. But wait, there's more.
There's more. Oh,
Okay,
wait.
so then we
We're
also
still doing
have
the demo part of
we're
it.
still doing the demo part. Do you like?
Okay, I've heard a few rumors about these Frixion pens.
Do you not ever try them?
I really like them, but somebody told me that if you put everything in the freezer, it'll come back.
I just like them to write with. I actually don't write on my fabric with them.
You don't? Well,
If it's the back, and I don't care. But I have heard horror stories of like people that went to a quilting competition and marked all over their thing, put it in the airport or the airplane.
and it was cold in there.
And it was cold and it all came back
yeah,
marked.
Paula says if you put it in the freezer, it comes back. Okay,
Like I would not mark your fabric unless you know it's gonna be hidden.
be hidden. Okay, that works because I end
So
up
like
using
if you're doing half square triangles and you
I end
wanna
up using a regular pen
use
sometimes
a
on my
pencil.
fabric. So
but
this
like,
would work.
when you're doing embroidery and you want to just mark.
yeah,
Like how Lisa does the ones that
yeah.
erase. So this is a really fine point.
So we have a couple different ones.
Mm-hmm. These are my favorite, the clickers. This is a 0.5. This is a 0.7, so it's bigger.
But it clicks.
But yeah, it clicks. This is me all like, everyone's like, shut up.
I have a tendency to do that. Like clicking your nails.
Yes.
Wait,
but
how come I can't
these
get it
ones
to
have-
work? Oh, it's this part, folks.
Yes, but what's cool about these Frixion pens, and I actually use these to write, they're my favorite. I love pens. You can erase these.
I like pens. I like markers more than pens, so I'm pretty dang excited about those other things you
Like,
just
look,
showed.
I mean, it doesn't completely erase it, but for a pen,
well, not only that, but for a pen, but I need one of those downstairs.
I know.
I need one of those at my desk. I need a few of them.
You know.
But I thought they were only for fabric. I didn't
No,
really
they're
ever think about
I
using
think
them.
they were actually always just erasable pens, but the
How
fabric
crazy.
industry took them on.
You know,
So-
why not? Why not?
Anyway.
I hear that they sometimes have ghost on your fabric.
Yeah.
So if you're going to use them on fabric, just don't use them, like
a
we
place
said,
where you
in a
care.
place where you care.
Yeah.
If it's not going to show up ever, then no big. Brenda, Brenda asks if you're a pen snob. Just a little. Hey, she knows her pens.
I do. Well, I'm messy when I write, and I don't like ones that bleed and get all over my hands.
Oh, I don't.
And I don't know about you left-handers out there. I should ask Kyle if she likes these, because she has to go backwards and smear.
Yeah. Hey, Kenzie.
I can actually write left-handed. I broke my right hand, or my wrist and my thumb, so I can write
Can you?
legibly.
I want
left-handed.
to see it.
Okay,
Here we go.
this is a really good demo.
Kenzie came into the warehouse today, so that was kind of fun.
It's not great. I haven't done it for a while. Okay, it's getting worse.
Is that a you?
Shut up.
Hey, I think you can read that though, right?
It looks like a fourth grader.
Maybe if you're lucky, it looks
No,
like a
it
fourth.
looks like my 6th graders. Let's see. I gotta try harder.
Okay.
I can write my name small. It's more the speed than the quality.
That's just cute. Look how cute. And so cute.
So cute. Anyway, that's a little too much information. I'm not hating on lefties. Aren't lefties supposed to be more
what's
creative
kind of-
and smarter?
You know what's kind of fun? I have a son who is left-handed. He married a lefty.
Wow.
I know. I'm waiting to see if their kids are going to all be lefties or not.
Yeah, I iron left-handed and I snowboard left leg front goofy
Do
foot.
you really?
So
Deborah says, that's great, Jenny, in case you ever need it.
I know. Well, it was like I was in high school and I had like 3 AP classes and I had to take notes. So I had to figure out how to
Oh, with
Right,
your,
with
with
my
your
left hand,
handbrain
yeah.
broken?
just like,
I have an issue with my hand, my elbow.
what'd you do?
I don't know. I think I have tennis
neither.
elbow.
Yeah.
But anyway, I can't hardly use it, and I just keep thinking it's a good thing it's not on my right
Yeah.
because I'd be in big trouble.
So
So these pens are fun. I
they're fun.
really am loving
Here,
the
should we
markers.
erase the marker?
We're showing this, but I want you to know that we didn't have it really like in.
Can you see it? Oh no, that's not right.
Here we go.
There we go. So
Moving
yeah,
it
it
over.
does go away. Also, if you're like maybe marking a hem on clothes, this wouldn't be terrible. Something you don't really care if it's seen, like curtains.
All depends, right?
Yeah.
Anyway, I'm glad to know we can get those markers. That's not really the deal of the day, though. So
It's one of them. It's on deal of the day. I don't think they're on sale because we don't have a very good price point on them. But
how much are they?
I want to say $19.99.
I think that's totally
But
worth
that's
it.
not bad for 12 markers.
12 markers that erase.
Yeah.
I want it.
But
I want it.
and then we also have the 0.5s. These are the click lids. And these are what normally you use. So if you like a really fine point, that's good. I like the clicker. It's a little bit heavy dutier. So we've got
Heavy dutier and it makes
Heavy
noise.
dutier,
So
yeah.
she wants to.
gets my anxieties out.